Amazon FBA is a popular way of making money by selling products online. If you're thinking about selling online, this video will give you all the information you need to get started with Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is a program where you send your products to Amazon, and they store them in their warehouse. When someone buys your product, Amazon packs and ships it for you. They also handle all customer service and returns. When choosing what to sell with Amazon FBA, it's important to pick a product that's in demand and profitable. You can do this by researching different niches, using tools like Jungle Scout and Amazon Best Sellers, and looking at the competition. Once you have an idea of what you want to sell, you need to find a supplier. You can source products from wholesalers, manufacturers, or use dropshipping. It's important to have a good relationship with your supplier to ensure product quality and timely shipping. To start selling on Amazon, you need to create a seller account. You can choose between an individual or professional account depending on the volume of products you plan to sell. You'll also need to provide bank information and a credit card to pay Amazon fees. Once you have your products and seller account set up, you need to create your listings on Amazon. You'll need to provide a product title, description, images, and pricing. It's important to optimize your listings for search and use keywords to get your products in front of customers. To get more sales on Amazon, you'll need to market and promote your products. You can use Amazon advertising, social media, and other marketing channels to reach your target audience. It's important to track your sales and analytics to see what's working and adjust your strategy accordingly.